Good afternoon. How are you today? My name is Ronnie Sarange from Tokyo, Japan. Today's YouTube video about Master Kanichi Otsuka is a declaration of the great Japanese spirit. Alright, the subtitle says that the divine way, the true great Japanese spirit will save humanity. Master Kanichi Otsuka was born on Shikoku Island in Japan on 3rd May 1891. Even as a child, he predicted the future, cured the sick, and invented many devices. People looked up to him as a wonder child. Over a period of 10 years, he traveled widely and confirmed the reality of his divine power, not only around Japan, but also throughout Korea, Manchuria, Mongolia, and China. He visited high mountains and deep ravines where no humanity had set foot before. During these years, he exercised his divine power and confirmed his inborn unity with the fundamental principle of the universe. Taught people the divine way, the truth, common to all fields, including medicine, education, and politics. Since ascending to heaven in 1972, he has constantly worked great miracles to help people throughout the 3 stages of their existence. He was ascended to this planet in 1891 to Awa. This Japanese island and the smallest one is Shikoku and here is Awa. Was born here, famous for Awa Odori, Awa dancer. And his picture, please quick that is URL because picture has a copyright. This is actual his declaration. He was uttered in declared it in Japanese, so I don't read. But for Japanese, maybe channel registers people, please take a look at this one deeply. Yeah, I don't read here. So this is the original his declaration in 1939, September 13, Kashiwara, Nara in Japan. Where is Kashiwara? Kashiwara is here. Awa is here. He was born here, and he declared this great Japanese spirit in Kashiwara here. According to what Nippon Shoki and Fujiki, Japanese old chronicles, tell that the Emperor Jimmu, who is considered to be the first emperor in Japan, became the first emperor after being enthroned in Kashiwara Palace on January 1st, 660 BC. And this is a picture of the Jimmu Emperor tomb and the shrine. And he declared, Master Kanichi Otsuka declared that this sentence is September 11th, 1939. Yeah. Okay, this is an English translation. I read. The great Japanese spirit is the world spirit, the fundamental principle organizing the world, and also the manifestation of the driving force behind all cosmetic activates. Therefore, it is an immutable, immortal, divine way to the eternal future, even after the ending of the world, from the beginning of the world. There is absolutely no true great Japanese spirit in the place where you cannot grasp its true meaning. And the world also must follow it. This is an indispensable mission only given to Japan that should be proclaimed to the world. And in order to disseminate this to the world, first, it is necessary to restore all the Japan's institutional systems to the great Japanese spirit. With the national or unified power of Japan, we have to embark on relieving and saving the turmoil of humanity. This is not a spirit of selfishness that do not respect others for part of their own people. We intend to achieve the human race's goals based on true reconciliation, to eliminate the contradiction in the world by being his true friend, and to bring about the world free of frictions. These goals are desired by everybody. To achieve these goals, we hereby declare a spiritual campaign based on the great Japanese spirit. September 11th, 1939, at Kashiwara, Japan, by Master Kanichi Otsuka. Hope you like it. It's very deep teaching. Yeah? Lastly, I'll give you his prophecy. If my teaching, the ultimate Japanese Shintoism, spread to the world, and humanity follow the way of God, the fear of death will disappear from all humanity. The time has come that every single person will be able to do a sublime transmigration to enter the paradise in Buddhism, heaven in Christianity. When humanity loses the fear of death, people will be able to take advantage of their own natural talents to the best of their lives on this planet. Okay, that's about it. Today's YouTube video. Okay, thank you very much for your intensive listening. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye now.